Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to export videos in Capcut. The process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Capcut application and tap on this option New Project for creating new project in Capcut. After creating new project in Capcut, tap on this option Import to import your videos in the Capcut and select your videos from your PC. After selecting, tap on the option Open. Now our videos are imported. Select all these three and drag these to the editing section. Now, before exporting your video, make sure your video is ready to export. And always try to use effects, transition, filters to enhance your video. And you can also add text overlays by tapping on this text icon. And add text overlays on your video to make it look more engaging for your viewers, so viewers don't feel bored. And once you have done all these things, take a look on the right top. Here you can find the option Export. Tap on it. Now here are a few options. The first one is Title. You can write the title for your video by tapping on it. And write the title. Just like me, I write. And here is the selected folder for video exporting. If I tap here, I can select that folder in which I want to export my video, but I already select my folder, and I will not change it. And here is the quality of the video. If I tap on it, I can change it to 720, 1080, 2K, and to 4K, but I will let it be on 1080. And here is the bitrate option. Tap on it, and you can select the higher bitrate, lower bitrate, or you can also customize it by yourself by tapping on it and customize the bitrate. But I think you need to set it on recommended, and it is the best setting. Codec, you don't need to change anything else, and on the last. Here is the option frame rate. Tap on it and choose the frame rate for your video. But remember, higher frame rate means your video size will be higher, so also choose it as per your need. And on the last tap on this option, Export. Now, as you can see, my video is start exporting. And I think it's exported. The video has been exported, and here are two options. It's the original ratio, and here is the ratio for TikTok. Now tap on the option Open Folder. Then that folder will be open in which the video has been exported. So it was fundamentally by which you can export videos in Capcut.